Another day, another English lesson. Common mistakes in English. Every day versus every day. Hello, English learners. One of the most common mistakes I see is mixing up every day and every day. They sound the same, but one is two words and the other is one word. Also, they are used differently. Every day, two words. Every day is an adverb. It usually comes after the verb. Think of every day as meaning each day. We use it when we talk about something that happens daily. I drink coffee every day. I drink coffee each day. She goes for a walk every day. She goes for a walk each day. Every day, one word. Every day is an adjective. This means it describes a noun, a person, place, or thing. It means ordinary, usual, or for daily use. Jeans are for everyday wear. Jeans are for ordinary wear. Computers are part of everyday life now. Computers are part of normal, usual life. Remember, every day is an adjective and comes before a noun. Example, I don't go hiking in my everyday shoes. Every day is an adverb and comes after a verb and its objects. Example, I study English every day. Understanding this difference is a small change that can help you avoid mistakes. Now, complete the sentences with every day or every day. One, my brother exercises every day before work. 2, she changed out of her uniform into her everyday clothes. 3, the team practices for the game every day. 4, the artist uses everyday objects to create his art. 5, he makes his bed every day after he wakes up. 6, I prefer my everyday glasses to these fancy ones. 7, we see our neighbor walking his dog every day. 8, this recipe uses everyday ingredients like flour and eggs. 9, she learns a new English word every day. 10, checking the weather forecast is an everyday routine for me. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon! Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.